Hello, good morning. How to fix or allocate marks. So you have to go to this page that I'll send to you. When you are there, you click on edit source, if you can see my screen right now. When you click on edit source, these are the list of contestants. These are the list of contestants. So you just click on edit source here. When you click on edit source, you scroll down here, you see the languages, you see Dagbani, you see English, you see Wikidata, you see Dagbani, English, Wikidata. So these are the three projects that we are working on. So Khadija, for example, is not competing. To write a Dagbani description and label, or to give a mark for Dagbani or Wikidata or English, you just look at this. The top one will definitely be Dagbani. So here, if you are watching my screen here, the very top, so you just type the name, the marks, maybe 20. If it's 20, Khadija is not competing, so you not put anything for Khadija. If it's English, maybe the person has 21, then you put 21 here. If it is Wikidata, then you come to the next place, maybe the person has 13. So this is where you put the marks. After tallying everything or calculating all the total marks, you just come here. When you click on edit source, you see they are lined up like this: 1, 2, 3. So you count the first number, 1, 2, 3. So if it's Wikidata, you know it will be 1, 2, 3. So the third column, if it is Dagbani, the first column, if it is English, this one. So all of them have this list. All of them have this list. So since Khadija is not competing, you not put anything for Khadija. The nanny is not competing, you not put, you can even see it here, not competing. Those who are not competing, you can see them here. So after calculating your total marks, you already know who had this and who had that. You just come to look for them. Mohammed Awal not competing, you can see it here, not competing. And then myself not competing, Sadat not competing, Jamila, we can take away Jamila because she's not participating, but Musa here. So since you checked and you know that the first one is Dagbani, you may want to write it somewhere. The first one is Dagbani, the second one is English, so the third one is Wikidata. So in this case, we are doing Wikidata scoring. We are scoring for Wikidata. You just scroll down and look for Musa. So 1, 2, 3 is Wikidata. So you just type the mark that Musa had for Wikidata on the third line. So Musa had, let's say, 12 for Wikidata. This is simply how you can do that. Zakraha maybe had third. So we are scoring for Wikidata. Wikidata is 3, maybe 31. So this way you simply put the marks there. Before you publish, you can go to preview. When you click on preview, you see how it is showing. Everything is structured. Same thing. Same thing. So all the list on Wikidata, you can see them here. Accepted Wikipedia and Wikidata entries. So this is Dagbani, this is English, this is Wikidata. So on the third column is what you do for Wikidata. Yeah, you know we are scoring two different marks. We have edit counts, then we have entries. So here is what you do for the total marks. Yes, where you do for the total marks. This is where you do for the total marks. So you come back to here. As you know, we are dealing with two things. We are dealing with, let me clear the marks here for them. Those that I've added, I'm just clearing them because those are not the right marks. So, yeah. I'll clear this. So you see that here has what Dagban English Wikidata. This is for total edits, the accepted Wikipedia and Wikidata entries. So this is where you give them. The second one is the edit count. Don't touch the edit count. Don't touch the edit count here. We are just looking at the first three. So that's why there are 6, 1, 2, 3. The next one is there are 6. So here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why you see the lines as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the last 3 lines, we are not dealing with them. That is what gives the edit count. But we are looking at accepted Wikipedia or Wikidata entry. So the first 3 numbers, the lines 1, 2, 3. And as you know, Wikidata stands as what? 3 in the line here. If you can check here. So on each name, you just come to 1, 2, the third line, then you put whatever mark the person has for Wikidata. That is it. This is simply what you do. But always remember to show preview. The edit count, I'll come back and fix it. There's a way to do the edit count, but just do the entries here. So when you do everything and everything looks okay, we should see numbers fall on 1, 2, 3 line for Wikidata. All of them should have. Those who are not competing, you don't write anything. Those who are competing, you just put their marks throughout here. So as you know, the edit count, as I said, I'll do that. So all their names are here. This place is not visual editor, so you don't tamper with anything. Just follow the steps and you are good to go. You just look for the person's name. After doing the calculation, you see everybody's name: Musa, Karim Asani, Zakraha, Hidrash, Achiri. So when you are giving marks for Achiri for Wikidata, you just come to 1, 2, 3, then you put the mark here. If it's 12, you put 12 there, then you come and preview to see whether it's shows. So all their names are listed here, all the contestants. You can scroll all the way to the bottom to know who the last list was. So the last list is Ali Dushafa. And put when we are going to give her mark for Wikidata, you just go to 1, 2, then the third line and put whatever mark she has. 1, 2. Simple as that. If you are doing English, is the first one. You can see if you are doing. So let's preview and see what I just did and see if it's showing in the third column. Yeah, you can see 12 showing in the third column. 12 is showing. 12 is showing in the third column. So the Dagban is the first one, the English is second, and the third one is what? Wikidata. I truly hope this video helps. So what you need to do is just take a paper and pick one user, compile all her total marks for Wikidata. I think this is the easiest work to do. Compile all the person's mark for Wikidata, then you write it down. If it's 20, you write it 20. So when you come here, all you need to do is just look for the person's name. You count 1, 2, 3, then put the mark there. Like, then put the mark there. So this is basically what you do for all the entries on Wikidata. I hope this would make sense to you. If you have any challenge, please let me know. Step number 3, as I said. I need to clear the things that I've added here. So we should now 1 has mark. Okay. So this is it. So thank you so much. I hope this helps.